ane mama usika woni wuka nyaka wa gwetene jawo afiye hu emai ane mama usika woni wuka nyaka wa gwetene jawo afiye hu emai. Welcome. This is Daniel Boateng. Welcome to Dagomba Rhythm 2. Today we are going to look at the finger picking of Dagomba rhythm. We learned the strumming pattern and then the chord progressions of Dagomba pattern in the part 1. And today we are going to look at the finger picking and the chord progressions. So if you have not subscribed to my channel, hit on the subscribe button and then check the notification so that you'll be updated anytime I record a video. Let's begin. Let's start with the C sharp minor. I hope you remember the C sharp minor. You remember, okay? C sharp minor. So I am C sharp. I'm at C sharp. Then I go to B7. Okay. Then I come back to E major. Okay, so C sharp minor, I move to B7. From the B7 I'll add the so here. If this is B, do T, then okay, so I'll add the so here, the F sharp here. So at B7, I will add this one, this thing here. Okay, so let's start. C sharp minor, go to B7, then you come to E major, then it continues C sharp minor, B7. Okay, so at C sharp minor, I play with my thumb. I play this, okay, and then my first finger. Okay, at C sharp minor, I play. Okay, then I come back to B7. Then I come to E major. Look at the right side. Starting from C sharp minor, I take the root from the E. Okay, I take the root from the E. So these 3 strings. Okay. Then I go to B7. Then I come to E major. Let's take it again. C sharp minor, B7. Then you come to E major. Check the left hand side movement from C sharp. Then okay, let me take it again. Another one. E major. It's very simple. Start from C sharp, then this is E. Okay, so this is the C sharp. Okay, so C sharp, come to E. Check. Both hands. hope it is very clear now. Let's put them together and then add a little song. Okay, so like what I taught you. Ane mama ba wosika woni woka unyaka wa gwendwe neja wo afiye wo mai. Ane mama ba wosika woni woka unyaka wa gwendwe neja wo afiye wo mai. Sicily, I feel this is a nice song. You can create your own song. It's not my song, though. It's not my song, but you can create your own song. Then follow the rhythm, then fix them in. So on this note, we draw the curtains of Dagomba rhythm. I hope you loved it. Subscribe to my channel if you have not. Leave a comment at the comment section and then give a thumbs up. Share the videos. A very big thank you to each and every one of you. We will meet next time for another interesting lesson. Thank you very much.